Hi all. Today we will discuss about the D flip flop and its working waveform. Okay, and also we will see the truth table. So in the last video we already discussed about the D flip flop. So here the working of D flip flop is not same as the T flip flop. We'll see how it's work. Okay. So I already made a D flip flop. So here we can see D0 is a input of the D flip flop, Q0 is output, and this is clock. So here I took positive edge of the clock. Okay, means this flip flop will work on every passage of the clock. Okay, so then this is the truth table of the D flip flop. So uh, this is D0, which represents the input to the flop. Here it is Q0 is represent like past to the past output. Q0 plus represents to the present output. Okay, so we have the input. So D input will have the two combination, either 0 or 1. So suppose I am considering the past output is 0. Okay, so what will be the present output? So remember one thing, in the case of D flip flop, whatever input you will apply, that will come into the present output. Okay, so no need to worry about the past output. Whatever past output is there, so don't worry about that. Look into the input value. So we have D0 input is 0 value. So output, present output also will be 0. Okay, so like in the next clock cycle, if you look, this present output will be the past output for the next clock cycle. Okay, so if you see in the next clock cycle, this will be the past output. Okay, and so if we want to look here, like in the next clock cycle, what will be the Q0 plus output? So I already told you, always look into the input value. So input value is 1 for the for the second clock cycle, so output also will be 1. Okay, so one more time I am repeating, uh, like the truth table of D flip flop, uh, like the output, present output always depend upon the input value. Okay, so whatever the past value, no need to care about this one. We need to look the input value, and accordingly we need to update the output value. Okay, if q0 is 0, if q0 is 0, in that case our output will be the same. Okay, present output will be the same. If q0 sorry, d0 is 1, that time also q0 plus will be the same value. So you can see, like input, whatever input is there, same output we are getting. Okay, so now we will see in the waveform how it works. So waveform, I already draw the waveform of the clock. Okay, and d0 input. So this the D flip flop, this will work with respect to the positive clock, passage of the clock. So I marked it here. Okay, so this will represent the positive edge of the clock. Okay, so here I made some input waveform. So like I considered, initially this d0 value is 0, then it is going to 1, then again 0, then 1. Okay, so now we need to draw the q0 value. Okay, so we will see. So initial value I considered here for q0 is 0. So at this point, if you look, the passage of at this positive edge of the clock, if you see, or we need to check the input value, d0 input value. Okay, so what is the value present here in the d0? We can see 0 it is, right? If it is 0, then the same I already mentioned here. If it is 0, then whatever in value will present in the D input, that same will come here at the output side. If it is 0, then 0 will come. Okay, so same 0 will come. So this 0 we will continue till next clock cycle. So up to here. Okay, till here, this point. So again, at this point, if you see, at this positive edge of the clock, we have D0 input, which is 1, right? At this point, D0 is 1. So it will, this Q0 output will be the same. Okay, so this Q0 output will be the same as D0 input. We already discussed. So it will hold the one value, the same value. Okay, till the next clock cycle. So again, if you look into this, at this positive edge, so here D0 input is 1, right? So it will hold the same value till the next clock cycle up to this point. Then here, if you see, what is D0 value? It's 0, right? So 0 means the same will come to the Q0 output. Okay, so in this clock cycle, we'll see 0 value, and this will be continued till the next clock cycle. Here, if you see, at this positive edge, we have D0 input as 1, right? Here, 1 value is we have as a input. So it will continue with 1 value, D0 input. Okay. So like this, D flip-flop work. Okay. Thank you.